Yeah, it's a little follow-up on my dump truck batteries. Tried to recondition them, and it was just a total failure. So, I had to buy 3 more, just standard batteries, not the gel batteries. Gel batteries were $500 a piece. That ain't going to happen. That's more than I paid for the damn dump truck. So anyway, got them all installed. While I was doing that, I installed the battery disconnect. People always ask, do you hook it to the negative or the positive? Well, you hook it to the negative for the negative ground vehicles. The reason being, if you hook it to the positive, when this thing's pulling high amps, you'll have 950 amps going through that little switch, and you can burn that switch slap up. Going to the ground, it removes it from the circuit. Done deal. Real simple switch. On, off. Just found a place to put it. And of course, when I was doing all this, I'm at the farm, my camera's at the house. Sorry about that. 2-watt cables. You have crimp-on connectors, and I'm not real fond of those. So what I did with that connector, went back and installed them on the end of the cable, and then filled it full of solder. And they're on there for good. They ain't coming off. They're not going to corrode. Ain't nothing bad going to happen. So here's the batteries. Real pretty day up here. This is, I believe, the 4th of January, 2020. About 65 degrees. Tomorrow's going to be 70. And it's so nice that the wife and I come up to organize the big barn a little bit. Don't really feel like painting the scrapers yet. Tomorrow, like I said, is going to be 70. That's another good day. I was moving around some tractors. Fell off the damn tractor step and barked the living heck out of my shin. So we got your Neosporin, blue towel, electrical tape. Kind of redneck, but it'll work till I get home. Get it properly dressed. And it barked my shin something fierce. But my boot's about wore out. It's my own damn fault. Most things I do is my own damn fault. So anyway, just enjoying the day. Wishing I hadn't tore my shin up, but it is what it is. That's about all for this one. Thank you.